Well, I think when we started Edamama and we went live with Edamama, my association as the celebrity being associated with the brand actually was not even announced then. So the first year and a half of sales was done purely based on product. So when I talk about the vision and the dream for the brand Edamama, the dream is to build your one-stop shop for all things related to your baby, whether it's personal care, which is what we're launching today, whether it's infant wear, whether it's maternity wear, kids wear from 2 to 14, toys, accessories, you name it, bags. And all of it is done with keeping in mind the comfort and care of the child, but also the responsibility that we have towards our planet, and which is why it is a conscious clothing brand and a conscious clean baby care product as well. Okay, so to me, there are two layers with which Edamama can be experienced. One is, of course, D2C, which is on our website, online, for you to have direct access, for you to really understand the story of the brand. And then the other way is through now, thanks to our Reliance partnership, through retail. And that is experiencing the ethos and the touch and feeling of the brand by walking into our EBOs. We are now currently at 5 EBOs, where at the end of the year going to hopefully touch up to 11 EBOs, so 6 more this year. And all of it has one endeavor, which is for you to really have an experience when you walk into the Edamama store with each product, and for you to really feel that, okay, this is a brand that I trust, a space that I feel is safe, and products that I know that are reliable and that I can keep coming back to. So that is the endeavor, whether online or offline, for you to create an experience-led journey with the brand.